If you haven't noticed, robots are taking over, and a little server with way too much attitude started it on this channel. Over 1 million views in 2 weeks, and we're just getting started. This channel exists because robotics is more fun when it has personalities, and because anyone can build something that feels alive. You don't need a degree, you don't need experience, you just need to be curious. The Art Project series is where we build real things from scratch, one concept at a time, beginner pace, focusing on the electronics and code until you've got something on your desk that actually does something cool. And then we might give it an attitude. If you want something ready to go now, we've got you covered there too. Smart cars, robotic arms, smart home kits, full reviews, hacks, and ways to make them your own. Plus the hack pack for when you're ready to go deeper with the community behind you. Plug in and upload, and let's see what your robot does when it has a little too much attitude. Subscribe, we're just getting started.